You know what's gotta be done. Move it, move it, move it. Hey, you there, pick up the pace. They're falling behind. Come on, let's go. Everyone, move together. We got a rescue on our hands. You there. Here we go. Itu dah. Oke, di kota. Torpedo?
Uh-oh.
Welcome to our assembly today. Our focus is the importance of collaboration. As you know, this is part of our whole school vision and something that's vital for success. Let us share some examples with you of how collaboration has helped us in our lives.
Today, Charlie and I are talking about how collaboration is important for sports. Charlie and I can pass the ball, and we also coordinate the defense so that our opponents can't score a point against us. We played against a Canadian international school, and Charlie and I kept on the defending opponents to make sure they can't score a point.
In almost all sports and team games, players will need to share the ball to work together to gain points. In basketball, without this, it will be difficult to score against their opponents. The more we share the ball, the points we can score, and of course aim to win. If my teammates do not work together and demonstrate effective collaboration, there's a high chance we could lose without team collaboration.
Hi, my name is Aaron. Today, Nate and I will be talking about how we use collaboration for 2 enterprise projects we did for Asanco last year. We both did 2 different projects. I will be talking about a bake sale I organized last year. We were selling chocolate cakes. We sold all our treats in one break time. I worked with Amara, Nirvan, Kavith, and Nicholas. It was part of our Azan Cove. We used it to raise money as competition for charity. We made about $68. We also designed posters to put in our classroom for our bake sale, so people knew what dates and where to go and buy the products. We worked hard organizing this. We discussed as a team about products of what we should sell and how we should design our fundraising idea. We found what products we should sell on Pinterest. It was a fun project we have ever done, and without effective collaboration, it was unlikely we would have been as successful.
Hi, my name is Nate. Today I'm going to be talking about an enterprise project I was involved in. We wanted to raise money by organizing a penalty shootout competition, where I worked with others to produce 10 ideas like marketing materials such as a radio advert, source equipment, and run the event. When we worked together, we had to listen, communicate each other's ideas, working together make the project a success.
As many of you know, the Tanzania adventure is fast approaching. The work behind the scenes to send students over there has been quite extensive. As a team, we decided to carry out fundraising events to help raise money for the trip. This money would be used to buy the equipment needed for the journey.
The collaboration was important throughout the fundraising event, from the ideas in the beginning to the setup and, of course, when it took place. We each took on roles to make sure we had exciting stall to ensure that there were people to greet customers and others to handle donations. Our collaboration results in a successful fundraising event where we raised a total of $35.
An example where we personally have learned the importance of collaboration has been for Unit 1 of our Performing Arts course. This requires us to work together, not just during lesson time, but also to commit it to a collaboration approach in our break time and lunch time as well.
This unit requires us to create a production company and present an idea for a stage show. The entire process takes discussions to gather ideas, research, planning, and development of the final idea. Each of us takes on a key role within the performing arts industry and must work together to ensure we meet the deadline and all agree on the direction of our creativity.
We have learned the importance of collaboration because we have struggled along the way, each trying to work independently. As soon as we came together, we began to see progress in our project, and it's still ongoing, developing much more successfully now. With our group working as a team, we will be able to complete our project and meet our deadlines.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Kav Gururana, and these are my partners, Alex and Lucia. Today, we're going to talk about our review of the Borneo trip in Kota Kinabalu, which is in the east of Malaysia, that happened 2 months ago. Here, we all had to collaborate in order to work as a community project. Without efficient teamwork, there is a good chance we would not be able to complete them successfully.
The purpose of going to Kota Kinabalu was to help with the community service work to change the old building into the new school. We worked as a group together and probably helped each other. Everyone had their important role to play to make this happen. Without everyone's hard work and commitment to the role play, we may not have completed the job. The collaboration was crucial and was a great example of how we achieved something great.
While
While we were in Borneo, we built a school's pathway which required us to collaborate as a team so that we can complete our service work as soon as possible. We had limited time. Take a look at videos showing you exactly what we worked on.
The service work was 4 days long to complete. Therefore, we had to communicate as a team to do this and help them.
Here's now a time lapse of the community collaborative work we did in Sabah.